Here are 10 insanely tasty snacks you can still eat when you're on an egg diet. You know, when you hear the words egg diet, you might think, oh great, another boring diet where I can only eat one thing. But hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to blow your mind with some insanely tasty snacks that you can enjoy guilt-free while on an egg diet. Now, you might be wondering, how can snacks be part of an egg diet? Well, let me tell you, snacks are not the enemy. It's the type of snacks you choose that makes all the difference. So buckle up and get ready for a culinary journey that's going to make your taste buds dance with joy. First up on our list, we have egg salad. Now, this isn't your grandma's egg salad, unless your grandma is a culinary genius, in which case it might be. This egg salad is made with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise, giving it a tangy twist that's both delicious and healthy. Add some chopped celery for a bit of crunch, and you've got a snack that's as satisfying as it is nutritious. But what if you're craving something sweet? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our second snack is a sweet omelet. Yes, you heard that right, a sweet omelet. Made with a bit of vanilla extract and sweetened with a touch of honey, this omelet is a delightful treat that won't derail your diet. Top it with some fresh berries, and you've got a dessert that's as good for you as it is delicious. Now, let's talk about egg muffins. No, not the kind you get at a fast food joint. These egg muffins are made with eggs, vegetables, and a bit of cheese, all baked together in a muffin tin. They're easy to make, delicious to eat, and perfect for a quick snack on the go. And speaking of on the go, our next snack is perfect for those busy days when you need a quick pick-me-up. Egg wraps are a simple and delicious snack that you can make in minutes. Just scramble some eggs, spread them on a lettuce leaf, add some avocado and salsa, and roll it up. It's a quick, easy, and delicious snack that's perfect for those on an egg diet. But what if you're in the mood for something a bit more indulgent? Well, our next snack is just the ticket. Deviled eggs are a classic snack that's both delicious and diet-friendly. Made with Greek yogurt and a bit of mustard, these deviled eggs are a tangy and satisfying snack that you can enjoy guilt-free. Next up, we have egg and avocado toast. Now, this isn't your average avocado toast. This version is topped with a perfectly poached egg, giving it a protein boost that's perfect for those on an egg diet. It's a delicious and nutritious snack that's sure to satisfy you. But let's not forget about dessert. Our next snack is a guilt-free treat that's perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Egg custard is a creamy and delicious dessert that's made with eggs, milk, and a bit of sugar. It's a sweet treat that you can enjoy without feeling guilty. Now, if you're looking for a snack that's a bit more adventurous, our next option might be just what you're looking for. Egg sushi is a unique and delicious snack that's perfect for those on an egg diet. Made with a thin omelet, sushi rice, and a bit of wasabi, this snack is a fun and tasty way to enjoy your eggs. And next, we have egg pops. Yes, you heard that right, egg pops. These are made by boiling eggs, sticking them on a popsicle stick, and then dipping them in various seasonings. It's a fun and creative way to enjoy your eggs, and they're perfect for a quick snack on the go. Our 11th snack is a delightful twist on a classic breakfast dish, scrambled eggs. But these aren't your ordinary scrambled eggs. These are scrambled eggs with a twist. Add some fresh herbs like chives or parsley, a sprinkle of cheese, and a dash of hot sauce, and you've got a snack that's packed with flavor and protein. Next up, we have egg and vegetable stir-fry. This is a quick and easy snack that's packed with nutrients. Just saute your favorite vegetables in a bit of olive oil, add some scrambled eggs, and season with your favorite spices. It's a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for those on an egg diet. For those of you with a sweet tooth, our 13th snack is a real treat. Egg and banana pancakes are a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional pancakes. Made with mashed bananas and eggs, these pancakes are naturally sweet and incredibly tasty. Top with a bit of honey or fresh fruit, and you've got a guilt-free treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. Our 14th snack is a fun and creative way to enjoy your eggs. Egg popsicles. Yes, you heard that right. These are made by blending eggs with your favorite fruits and freezing them in popsicle molds. They're a refreshing and protein-packed snack that's perfect for a hot summer day. And finally, we have egg and spinach stuffed mushrooms. These are delicious and nutritious snacks that are perfect for those on an egg diet. Just hollow out some mushrooms, fill with a mixture of scrambled eggs and spinach, and bake until golden. It's a tasty and satisfying snack that's packed with nutrients. The egg diet isn't just about eating eggs. It's about making healthy choices and finding delicious ways to enjoy your food. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Who knows, you might just find your new favorite snack. So there you have it, folks. 13 insanely tasty snacks that you can enjoy guilt-free while on an egg diet. Remember, a diet doesn't have to be boring. With a bit of creativity and the right ingredients, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious snacks that will keep you satisfied and on track. Are you ready to start your egg diet journey? Are you excited to try these delicious snacks? We hope so, because we can't wait to hear about your experiences. So go ahead, get cracking, and enjoy the egg-citing journey ahead. And remember, the key to a successful diet is not just what you eat, but how you eat. So take the time to enjoy your food, savor each bite, and appreciate the flavors. After all, eating should be a pleasure, not a chore. So here's to a healthy and delicious journey on the egg diet. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey as much as we enjoyed guiding you through it. Remember, the egg diet is not just about restriction, it's about exploration and enjoyment. So go ahead, explore these snacks, enjoy your food, and embark on a journey towards a healthier you. Happy snacking!